Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class we will be start with a new topic, that is the sign of the English grammar, that is the punctuation. Let's start the class. Punctuation is very important chapter in English grammar. You can call the sign of the English grammar because in this chapter we will be learn about how it will be used in the signing marks, that is the comma, time period, and also the semicolon, question mark, exclamation. It is all about this, and today we will be learn about why it will be needed and how it will be used in our English grammar and sentences making, and also why it is needed for us. So today we will be learning. So I will start the class with an example, that is a mother has 4 sons, north, south, east, and I will be tell you a question, that is what is the name of the 4th son. It is the question mark. We all are knowing that is the north, south, east, and one is west, that is the west, and we can all tell that is the answer is west, but nothing at all. Actually answer is what, because here the what it symbolizes and what is realizes the answer. It cannot given the answer that is the east, maybe the 4th son name is other things. We can guess only the north, south, east, and we can relate that is the west, but it is not west. It is the answer is what, because what is realizes what is the name of the 4th son. It is called the punctuation mark because we can know here east is the, after the east here is the punctuation mark. It is called full stop or time period, and after the time period the sentence again started. So what is your answer? So we can know through the examples that is the value of the punctuation. So let's start the class with brief discussion, that is what is punctuation. First we will be discuss about what is punctuation. A set of marks or sign, in English pauses or stops in the text. When we write the text we keep pauses and we keep stops, that is called the punctuation, because when we talking about this anyone, so we can pause, we can stop, but in writing skill when we writing it anything, the writers have to stop so that can understand easily and make it easy to understand everyone. So pause is needed. So here the pause is also called, that is the punctuation, and why it used we will be learn now. While we speaking we add stop and pause directly, but when the writer is writing anything we add stop and pause via punctuation, because for this we need punctuation, because of pause, stop, we need punctuation. Without no stop or pause we cannot start anything, because anything we start we have to understand easily. So for the pause and stop we use the punctuation. So punctuation essential to clarify the meaning of the text by linking words, phrases, or separating verbs and clauses. Punctuation always essential to clarify the meaning of the text. When anything we write through the text we have to understand. Punctuation is help us to know and clarify the meaning by linking words, phrases, and separating verb or clause. It is about the punctuation, because punctuation is the sign mark and set of mark we have to take in our text because of pauses or stop. So it is called the punctuation. Now we will be discuss about how many types of punctuations are here and what is that. Okay, there are 6 types of principal punctuation are here, that is full stop. Full stop, it is the symbol of full stop, we know all about this. And secondly it is the comma, and comma is the comma symbol, and it is also in the category of punctuation. And third is the semicolon, it is the symbol of this, and fourth is the colon, and it is also the symbol of this, and 5 is the question mark. We always take question mark in when we making a question. Exclamation for show the emotion we always take exclamation. Full stop is used in the last of the sentence and end of the sentence, and comma is used to separating something, that is like India, German, Pakistan. If you take some different words, so comma is used, and semicolon is used when we stops and pause, and colon is used when we starts to clarify anything indirectly, and question mark is used to make a question, and exclamation shows the immediately if we action something, that is the surprise. In case of surprise wish, exclamation is used. Today we will be learning about this, what is punctuation, why it is needed, and types of punctuation. But tomorrow we will be learning about that is the briefly discuss about the punctuation like full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, question mark, and exclamation, and with her example. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt you can tell me through the comment. Thank you.